For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The Garden Star kit requires 18 4-foot timbers bracketed with stacking brackets, 18 stacking stakes, and 12 finishing caps. For a full list of parts and the cubic soil required for this design, check down below in the description. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. When connecting the brackets to your boards for this design, make sure that all boards are connected with brackets in an alternating orientation. On this timber we see that this bracket is in the down position, while on the other end this bracket is in the upward position. Make sure that all boards are connected with brackets in this pattern. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. Lay out 12 timbers for the base level of your design in the approximate shape of your garden so you can get a good idea of what the footprint will be. Connect the joints for the first level of your frame using stacking stakes facing upside down. This will allow you to slide the timbers along the grass so you can make adjustments to your base level frame. Once you've made adjustments to your base level frame and you feel like you have a pretty decent shape going, take a 4-foot board and adjust it on top of each of the upside down stacking stakes. This will be a way to ensure that your second level will fit onto the frame that you've set, and it'll be an extra step of adjusting your base level frame. With the last adjustments made to your base frame, while still keeping on the 4-foot timbers on the second level, go to each one of your outside points and hammer those into the ground to secure those points into the ground. And then once all 6 of these points are secured, you can then remove these 4-foot timbers and hammer in your inner hexagon stakes into the ground as well. Once your outer stakes are hammered in, you can take off these 4-foot timbers now and hammer in those stakes. Now take 6 timbers and restack the second level of your frame. You'll be using stacking stakes for the second level that will insert into your ground level stakes. With the second level of your frame secured, the last step is to install your finishing caps on top of each of the 12 joints, and then you're ready to fill this with soil and start planting. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.
Frame it all.